Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of triangle logo. You can make this one by the use of triangle, and then you can make this one customized. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Going to the file at first, taking new options, and then 2000 pixel and giving the name TR logo and hit the create button. After that you'll get the blank artboard, and then going to the polygon tool and select once, press the 3 for the triangle and turn off the fill color. Before we start the main tutorial, I want to say a couple of pros and cons, because of here you are looking at the setup, and then you can get the snap to point and guideline, everything I would like to tell you. Here I'm using the Essential Classic, which is the workplace, and then going to the view options, turn on the smart guide and the snap to point. Smart guide will help you out to make the proper alignment and everything, and snap to point will help you out to make copy and proper placement of the shape. So select this shape, press Alt option button, and then just drag this one. When you're getting the intersect option, you can leave it. So here press Ctrl or Command D for the repetition, couple of, and then Alt option button, and then just make this one intersect. Actually, when you are watching the intersect option, just leave it and then rotate this one, and after that select all the stuffs, Alt option button, and just drag and leave it, and just rotate this one. That's good. And then copy this one, Ctrl or Command D, Control for the Windows user and the command for the Mac users. So select all the stuffs, and then going to the shape builders tool, and then you can make A and P. Here you should make the color black, and this one like that, and P you should take this one for your better view, Ctrl Command C and Ctrl Command V, and over there. Here at first select these all the steps once, and then select the here the shape builders tool, turn off the stroke, and only the fill color should be keep here, stroke color only the fill color. That's good. And then you can make like that. Okay, I'll make this one like that, and P should be like that and like that. That's fine. And now this triangle should be like that. I would like to make this one bigger and make this one like that. So our blueprint of the logo is ready. Now we'll customize this one. Select this magic wand tool, select in a line once, all the line will select, and delete all the stuffs. That's good. And select the shape, and then now expand the area. That means I want to expand the stroke. I'll make it 30. That's good. And then going to the object and expand this one and hit OK. When you're expanding the stroke, this one will be into the vector form, and then merge this one, that is the compound shape. That's good. You are getting the logo over there, and you can just place in the middle of the artboard. So you can make the many designs or many options, or you can mock it up. So how to mock up? So going to the free pick and write down the logo mockup. So write down these things and choose the free and PSD. It will help you out to get the free logo mockup, and choose the correct one. Suppose this one or this one is good, the new things, or you can choose other one which is really nice. And here let's see this one, the golden one, this one, or you can find out or explore the more. And here That's good, and that's also good. So I would suggest to use this type of shape or logo mockup, or you can use that. So selecting here and download this one. After downloading the mockup, going to our mockup file, going to here, just opening with the Photoshop, and it will open up, and after that we'll just make this one into the mockup form and hit the OK button. That's good. And here your logo here, hit the OK, turn off this one and select this logo, and Ctrl Command C. That means you can copy this one and Ctrl Command V and pixels and making this one a little bit of bigger. Press the enter button, or you can tick mark over there, save it out, and you'll get the result over there. And here is the edition. You can change up the lights and everything, and you can change up all the stuffs. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query, request, please do comment in my video comments section. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.